Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 16 for hotel management system in Django with Next.js. In this video, we are working to the extending user model, right? So, why we need this? Because if you go to the user dashboard or user profile, let's go to the user dashboard here and update profile. So Django comes with the first name, last name, username, email, right? But we need mobile and profile image also. So that's why we need to create the we need to extend the user model, right? In our previous video we have created the reviews model and contact queries, and we have added in the here website app, you can see here, right? Now let's extend this user model. We will create a different model and we will add the user as a foreign key relationship, right? So let's start to do that. Okay, so what we need to do that, let's go to the model, website model, and here we will create class profile, right? And this will be our model start model, right? And here we will attach the user. So model start one-to-one relation field, right? So one-to-one relation field, and here we will define this should be one-to-one relation, and this should be user model, and on delete equal to model start cascade, sorry, model dot cascade. Okay, and then we will define profile image equal to model start image field, which is upload to equal to profile images, right? And then we should also have model start integer field. Okay, and yeah, this is fine. Okay, so this is our profile model. We have attached this with the user. We will learn whenever we save or create the whenever we save the data, create the data of the user, we will create a signal. This signal will automatically call the profile model and save the profile image and mobile with the user association, right? So we will use the signal for that. Okay, and I will create that signal. Okay, so let's first of all let's migrate this. So what I will do here, let's close this, and sorry, py manage.py make migrations. What is this? To this should be, oh sorry, so this should be one-to-one relational field. All right, now let's make migration. Py manage.py migrate, py manage.py run server. All right, now let's create the signal. Whenever we create the model, so it will automatically whenever we create the object of the user, it will automatically add the data. Okay, let's see how, and I will show you that how we can create the, so this is a very important part if you are extending the user model, and we will also learn the signals, right? Okay, so here you can see that I have created a simple signal in the model, right? So this is our receiver. So when I post save, whenever we save the data, it means whenever we save the data, it will call this handler, and this handler will create the profile object, which is our model, and here is a user, right? So this if created means if data is new created, right? So this is example of a signal, and we are importing this from models signal post save, and from the dispatch receiver, right? So let's try to check this. So if I, okay, we need to add this profile model here also. So profile, right? So let's see that. Let me close this, run server, refresh. So we have a profile currently no profile. Let's go to user. Let's go to add user. Username is, let's say, Suraj, and profile password is something, right? And if I save this, null value column mobile. Okay, actually this is saying because we have to add something in the mobile, right? So what we need to do, let's define this blank equal to true, right? And what else, email equal to also null equal to true, right? And let's say this one is also null equal to true. Full name, let's say null equal to true, right? Now let's go to migration, migrate, run server. Okay, and let's refresh this. Why this is saying null, mobile. Okay, it should be null, sorry, it should be null. So let's try this. Oh my god, 1 minute, 1 minute. Migrate, sorry, migrate, run server. Now let's see again. Oh wow, let's do this. Okay, password is not correct. Let's fill it again. Save. Mobile. Why the mobile integer? Oh, I understand. Let's make it a character field then, right? And let's remove this, run the migration again. This is the actual job of developer. Things are not work sometimes, so you have to focus with that. All right, let's see. Let me fix it. Okay, so I hope you noticed that we were working on the wrong model, right? Not right, but now it should right. Migrate, run server. All right, so let's see. Okay, now if I go to profile, here you can see profile object has been created with this one user, right? So this is a simple example of signal. We will use a signal often, so we can send the signal to another model. So hey model, do this and this, because we are doing this, right? This kind of type, like its name signal, right? So I think we completed this part also. So in the next part, we will work on the flat pages, about us, privacy policy, terms and condition history, and all that, right? Maybe in next two videos we will complete this. Then we will work on the APIs, right? So thank you so much. And if my voice is low in this video uh, before some time, then maybe the mic was for, so I'm sorry for that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. If you need the source code of this project, then please go to github.com/code-artisan-lab, and here you can go to the repository, and I have given the instructions to how to download. This is a simple process. Just you need to support me, and I will give you the source code, and if you are learning, then you can learn from the videos, right? So thank you so much, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.